pulled up. Oh my God. What is good, VQ family? How y'all doing, gang? Them shits went out on me. But we taking the V out for a little car meet, you know what I mean? The gang hit me on a little pop-up car meet, so but I take the G out, you feel me? So 6:30 right now. They're going into like 9:30, so yeah, pop out is like 30-40 minutes away, so gonna pop out with my buddy. He gonna be driving my RSX. I'll be driving the G, so yeah. See what kind of cars are out there, man, and see what we get into tonight, you feel me? But yeah, gang, stay tuned, man. I hope y'all doing good, gang. Shit, bro, you forgetting this bucket seats in this thing, bro. Shit, nice little turnout, gang. I don't know what's up with this. Oh shit, okay. Yeah. So what is he how we call it? The TT. The TT. Oh, okay. Clean the fuck boy. Got the scoots. We got to see how y'all doing, man?
Yeah.
How y'all doing?
Good. With the G.
You say what?
Fuck with the G.
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you,
Got the Z right here.
You said Z?
Yeah.
Your pop's Patrick?
Yeah, right here.
Where he at?
It's like 3 right here.
Oh yeah. I see his ass. That shit. Yeah, you got the V. What the V? Is it V2 or V2 type shit?
But the bearings in this is bad, so it squeals right now. I just got the new belt and the new alternator.
Type shit. Yeah, mine's actually supercharged too, bro.
Really? What do you got in it?
Yeah, I got the Soho kit.
How much you pushing?
Like 600 to the wheel.
Yeah,
600. How much you pushing?
500, 460 to the wheel.
Ooh, this should probably, this is light as fuck. This should probably feel like 600. Yeah, that should probably go crazy, boy. That shit was selling. What's your name though, guy?
Around here?
Nah, you Pat Junior. You were there with some Pat Junior. That's funny as shit. What's done to it, gang?
Just stage 2, like intake.
Type shit. Clean, bro. What's that? I don't know. Is it is it an S or R?
It's S4.
S4. Type shit. Oh shit. I thought these came with superchargers.
These are the turbo version.
Oh, okay.
Changed from supercharged to turbo.
Oh, okay. Ooh. You push it probably like in the 5s.
Yeah, roughly.
Roughly, that's tough. That's tough, bro. That's tough.
Thanks.
Fuck with it, bro. It's clean. And you want the bags too?
Yep.
That's what's up.
Wheels are on the way.
Type shit. Oh, yeah, this is his pop's charger. Shit tough as fuck, bro. He's got butterfly doors. Tough. Wicked man. Been good?
Yeah. How are you?
Good, buddy.
Well, finally.
Finally ride out, bro. Finally ride out,
you
bro.
got 6 already?
Yeah, 6 to the wheels now, bro. Yeah, so we got to run it sometime. I know you're pushing like what, 7?
No, 660.
660. Yeah, still up.
But I'm buying the Hellcat next week on the 3/4.
You gonna get rid of this?
No, I'm gonna keep this. Bro, I'm buying it for 30K.
Oh shit.
Got 1,000 horsepower, red eye built motor.
How the hell you gave it that cheap?
My boy's selling it to me.
Oh, it's your boy. Okay, alright, makes sense.
I got my Lincoln, you know that. The white one.
Yeah, right, the Lincoln there, type
I'm in
shit.
the work truck all day.
Type shit. Yeah, clean too.
Car show.
Oh, I see that. It's an ISF?
Yeah, this thing is nasty.
Shit. I realized it was an ISF right here. Okay. Big boys over here. Fucks with it. Nothing too crazy. Little lift kits and shit. What's going on with the Civic right here, bro? I didn't even notice this shit, bro. Damn. My boy trolling. Clean. I love when dudes got old school cars where they just keep that shit clean, bro. Like the interior mint. That's tough. If only it was manual, but hey, still respect it. And nah, chill turnout, bro. Chill turnout. We're gonna try to do this every weekend, so hopefully it gets better, you know. Trying to get the Vermont car scene popping, you know. This is soft, you know. bro.
That's fucking crazy for this thing.
Not too crazy, bro.
How much horsepower does it have?
600 wheel.
How much again?
600. Not too crazy, bro. Some chill.
I told him to talk to you about maybe you're gonna join the.
And we got Brody in the R6. Keep that thing. Give me two tight there. That shit clear, boy. Okay. Yeah. My trans not good, but let's get it. You got space?
What?
You got space?
Sure.
I dig? I can't dig, bro. My trans is not good at shifting. My trans got a tune. Yeah, I can't dig. Oh my God, the 350 pulled up. Oh my God. That shit loud as fuck, boy. Cool little pulls. 350 and all that. You said it's an S5, bro?
S4.
S4. Sick, bro. Supercharger, bro. Bro, it's turbo? Yeah. Why it sound like a supercharger, bro? That's just like weep. It's not like it's whining, bro.
It's sucking to so much freaking.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, there you go.
Shit hard, gang. Oh, you getting a clean flick? Bro, what's the trans tune, bro? This shit, bro. For every shift?
Yeah, it keeps like diving.
I hate that shit, bro. That's why I hate to do posing that shit, bro, because I don't want to fuck this shit, you know what I'm saying? I don't fuck it up, but I'm gonna get it tuned in a couple weeks, though. We finally made it back home, gang. Yep. Oh, my light's working. I bet. It's a cool turnout. Cool little turnout with the gang. I think I need a new battery, bro, because my battery keeps dimming. It's not holding the voltage properly, so definitely gonna have to get a race battery or some shit. And bro, after all that drive and everything, bro, temps are still cool, bro. It's been 195 the whole drive home and shit. But the voltage, you gotta get that looked at, though. I got a new battery or something. But yeah, gang. Cool turnout, bro. School sesh, cool day. Hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Oh, hop, okay. But yeah, gang, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Cool little session with the guys and stuff. Cool little car, man. Got some posing, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, gang. And with that being said, man, more on the way. Like and subscribe. Peace.